Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this super easy and quick pop art nail design. I feel like initially when you look at this design you think like, oh, it's super hard to do, but once you actually do it you're going to realize how fast it is. It's like literally 4 steps and then you have a pop art nail. So first I'm going to be going in with this color. I decided to go with the green because I wanted to, like, you know, just kind of go with the seasons. So I'm doing this green. It's like a sage green. If you want to know the exact color, everything is linked on my Amazon storefront. Pretty much everything that I use that's nail related would be in there. I'm still trying to update it every day, but for the most part, everything that I use on a day-to-day basis is linked on my Amazon storefront, like nail art brushes, files, gel top coats, matte top coats, anything that I use is on there, so definitely check that out. I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this because I just wanted a full coverage nail. Make sure that when you're using gel polishes to do super thin coats. I also did this in real time. I didn't speed it up because I wanted you guys to see like how easy it is. But 2 coats of thin gel, and then look at that full coverage nail. Like I just love a 2 coat, you know, color. And then I'm using this nail art brush, and you're going to go with a slightly darker color. I'm using like a forest green now because I feel like it just kind of goes with like Christmas, but use a slightly different color. It doesn't have to be like super perfect, but anything that's darker that will show up on top. Yeah, so I decided to go with this green, and then you're gonna go in the corner at the cuticle area and kind of do like a outline on one side of the nail, and this is gonna create like that, start creating that 2D, 3D dimensional effect. Well, really just 2D, but yeah, this is how you're gonna get that effect. Now this is step 2, and we have like 2 more steps left, and then we're done. Like, that's how easy this is. So make sure you are getting it to that cuticle where you don't see that green underneath, and then you're gonna make sure that you put this in the light and dry it. I'm using this A-Press cordless rechargeable one that came in the kit that I got when I'm doing Gel X. It's just really convenient when I'm working with one finger. So yeah, this is me just taking my time, making sure it's perfect and how I like it. Again, yours doesn't have to look like mine. As long as you put this color on one corner of the nail, then you should be okay. And then, like I said, you should start seeing that 2D effect. So go ahead and try that. 45 seconds, 30 seconds, doesn't have to be like super long. And then you're gonna take some black polish. This is step 3, and you're gonna outline the whole entire nail. And this is like kind of it can be a little bit, make you a little nervous because it's black. Anytime I work with black paint or red paint or even white paint, sometimes I get like super nervous because they're such bold colors and you don't want to really make a mistake. So I definitely get it, but with this, you don't have to make it super perfect. Like, just kind of follow the outline of the nail. Use that outline of the nail as a guide and just take that black all the way around. That's how simple that this really is. I know with me, sometimes I like to make things a little harder than it needs to be, but yeah, I'm taking my time. I'm going slow. Again, I'm showing you guys in real time how slow I'm moving, how precise I'm trying to be. Because like I said, working with black, you don't want it to get on the skin. You don't want it to bleed into the cuticle area. So just take your time. Make sure you're not using a lot of product. Now we're going to take some, make sure you dry that, by the way. Oh, and then before you put away that black, go ahead and just do like a really quick black parallel line to the border black line. And that also is going to help create that 2D effect. So yeah, once you go ahead and dry that, take some white paint, your same nail art brush, and you're gonna do like a straight line going down the nail. And then you're gonna use a dotter. I have to put these in my Amazon storefront. I'll put these in my Amazon so you guys can see, because I don't think those are on there. But use a dotter and then just do like a white small dot where that white line is, and you're gonna dry it. And then I swear that's how easy this design is. We're actually done. So now it's time for a top coat. You guys already know top coat I use is Beetles gel top coat, and then that's it. Make sure you dry it. I'd like to dry my matte top coat 2 times, and that's it. Super simple, super fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you think.